Good morning, everyone. This is Srikanth Rajan. Welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from MPIinvest.com. Well, coming to the market yesterday, as expected, Infosys did open with the gap down, and it was 10% gap down, and we could see the Infosys, a stock like Infosys, stuck in lower circuit for almost, first half an hour of the trade. It was later on that started trading, and then we could start seeing some buyers in action. In fact, a lot of people feel that this was probably the low that could create for the year, and that's exactly why we could see some buying coming in. Finally, we could see Infosys closing slightly better from the low. Now, the very important point is to look at this new low which is created by Infosys, which has become the new 52-week low. Will that be broken? Of course, a lot of us do think that it won't be broken, and that's exactly why a lot of people have actually started buying it. However, it is to see how it is going to perform in the next 2 3 days, because I've always said it is the first day of results is something that we cannot predict anything. So it was just the first day yesterday, the first reaction. Let's see how it goes the next few days. Similarly, HDFC Bank also came into selling pressure in spite of good results. So overall, these are few stocks which actually brought the Nifty down. But then, interestingly, there was a huge surge support from FMCG sector. Nestle was up by almost 4% yesterday, and we could also see ITC hitting a brand new high, 52-week high. In fact, its all-time high on 400 rupees is something amazing. So if you see, if you have invested about in ITC about a year back, you will be sitting with not less than about 100% profit there. So that was something about ITC. ITC is doing really well. Apart from that, we could also see Power Grid and PSU banks doing really well. So that was something really good. So probably HDFC's good results has actually given some more positivity to PSU banks as well. And people are expecting SBI results to be really good. So over the weekend, we have Reliance results as well. Reliance also came into some selling pressure yesterday. In fact, Reliance opened with a gap up yesterday. From there, it fell, and we could see some selling pressure. So probably people are trying to clear up their positions in Reliance before the results coming in the weekend. So in fact, Reliance results will be coming after the market close this week, because again Friday is a holiday. So that's why people don't want to keep their positions probably till the end of week. Apart from that, if you look at what happened in the US market after Indian markets closed, it was a kind of mixed journey, because Google fell in bringing Nasdaq slightly down in the earlier part of day. Naturally, because Samsung announced that they're going to use Bing, Microsoft Bing, as the default search engine for Samsung devices, moving away from Google. Now, this, of course, is a big hit to Google, and that's why we could see Google shares kind of falling down. But again, this is a temporary phenomena there. But along with this, we could see some major support coming from banking sector in the US, and it was majorly the banking and financial sector which actually pulled up the market yesterday. And finally, all of the indices in the US actually closed in the positive, though a small positive, I would say. So after that, of course, major earnings are expected. Now today evening we have the Bank of America results coming in US. So with all this, there is some positivity around the banks in the US. In India as well, we could see that yesterday's SDFC's movement is something that has gone off, I could say. Let us see how it trades in next 2 days, today and tomorrow. That can decide SDFC's future path, because HDFC Bank is close to its 52-week high right now. So I am expecting actually things are looking good. So probably it can slowly start going up, is what I expect. So yesterday, what interestingly happened in the Indian market was, in spite of such a big fall in the first half, market recovered quite a bit by end of the day. So it did close in red, but still I would say it was a pretty good recovery after such a big fall. So that was something good. That means probably people are on buying on sell, buy on a fall mode. So which is kind of a good situation at this point of time. So let's see how the market goes. In fact, yesterday FIS have booked some profit. They've sold for about 500 crores. That's completely okay, because they've invested a good amount last week. And DIS have gone to support the market by buying for almost 300 crores. So that way, it is kind of a balance, I would say. It is kind of okay. So now, today is Nifty expiry, and we've just got 2 more days for expiry, because Friday is a holiday. It's going to be a short week, so naturally the volatility is going to kick in from today again. So let's see how things turn out. So That's something we'll be looking at apart from this. So today being Nifty expiry, volatility on the finance and bank stocks should be very high. I mean, the volatility would be high there, and that is of course going to track make some volatility in the index as well. So that's it for now. Looking forward to a volatile day and also a great week ahead. So no major results coming up in India today, so things are looking good as of now. So that's it for now. And Tuesday being Tuesday, the report is slightly early. We'll discuss more about the market tomorrow morning in the podcast. And before we leave, if you love the content that we share, do remember to press the like button and do share the podcast with your friends and relatives, help them learn and invest together with us. And if you're not a part of a community yet, do join the community free of cost. We have a WhatsApp group link in the description of this video. That's it for now. This is Srikaraj signing off. Goodbye.